So into the charts we go, folks, and we can see Bitcoin is selling off. We are getting close to that 27,000 level. Remember, 27,000 is a key support. If that does give way, you've then broken this channel, this sideways chop from 30,500 down to this level of around 27,000. That would then be broken with a downside target of 25 to 24,000. All right, if you get through 24,000, you're now talking about 22,000, give or take, as your next key support. But the bottom line is we saw a little bit of selling over the weekend that actually had teeth, meaning that it didn't get negated by the light volume. And that, again, is something to take into account as well. So let's talk a little bit about this market here. So again, a little bit of a breakdown here. We haven't taken out the key level yet, so we'll be watching that very closely. But that is something, again, I am still on alert for. If we do continue to see some weakness here, I do expect that level to break within about 24 hours. So look at that over the next 24 hours. Let's see if we can break to the downside. All right, next I want to go to the Ethereum chart here. Let's bring up Ethereum. Ethereum, folks, is dropping today. And again, this could have been no better pop and drop than this, right? We had this upsloping trend line, this flat top, which again goes back to this high right back here. Ethereum had that big pop on Friday, reversed it on Saturday, a little bit more downside on Sunday, and then continued to sell off. Look at where Ethereum went right into the supports here on the chart. So you are at support, but this is very, very weak support. Please understand that. Very, very, very weak support. All right, if that gives way, you're looking at 1,700 as a target. Again, we are in the money on both these trades, both on Bitcoin short as well as Ethereum short. And again, for me, it's letting these things play out. They still should have downside. I'm still looking for at minimum 1,700 on Ethereum, 25 to 24,000 on Bitcoin. And I even think we, again, are likely headed even lower than that. Now, I just want to point this out, folks. I'm sure everyone's been fully aware of Pepe, what's been going on with meme coins out there. If we bring up Pepe, folks, I'll show this to you here. But again, ridiculous. So number one, amazing move to the upside. I think it was like a 1,500% move in just a few days to the upside. But look at the collapse back down. Think about how many people have bought in and are getting wiped up with this drop back to the downside. So just to be clear, in fact, I want to do this with you guys. Let's show here the percentages. All right, so here's your beginning point here. Again, that's an 800%. I think it only was listed on OKX at that point. It was even lower prior. But look at that move up, and then look at where it is. If you start here and you go to current price, it's only really up 267%. And again, looks weak, looks like it's continuing to come down. Now, if you're a Pepe trader and you really, really, really want to get involved in Pepe, where would you buy it? Right here. There's going to be support. There should be support around this level right here. That's 0.000000118. And again, I might be forgetting or adding a zero there. You guys can do your own research. I'm not going to be trading this, needless to say. I don't gamble. All right. And this is a big difference between what you see out there in the crypto sphere and what I do. I take trades that have an 80% success rate. That's called a good investment. All right. That's called probabilities in my favor. That's called being the casino, not the gambler. When you're taking things like Pepe and you're buying it at anywhere, yeah, sure. Gamblers sometimes win. They sometimes strike gold. Also, more than not, they'll give it all back, and many investors just straight up lose. That's not what I'm here for. I'm not here to be taking dumb investments and dumb trades. I'm here to be making money and giving out good trading information based off technicals, which are probabilities. All right, so the bottom line is, just to be crystal clear, when you see this going on in Pepe, when you see all these other meme coins getting pumped, that is not a sign of a bottom. And I'm more bearish now on crypto than I have been at any time probably in this cycle right now. All right. Again, that's a lot. That's saying a lot. All right. Because of what I'm seeing in the crypto sphere, when I'm seeing what's going on, that people are just reckless gambling, that is the sign of a top, not a bottom. Speaking of tops and not a bottom, take a look. Let's look at Matic here. Look at the rollover on Matic. What a drop here. We knew this was a bearish pattern. Look at how, and again, I love charts. I absolutely freaking love charts, guys. Look at this bear flag, down move, close, confirmed, retrace to the scene of the crime, and it's confirmed resistance. It can't get through because it's confirmed, and then roll over on Matic, and down it goes. Where am I buying Matic? I've already isolated my level. I've already told you guys about this. 75 cents is where I would get interested, maybe even a little bit above. Maybe you might convince, I might be convinced around 80 cents support to get involved, but beautiful dump. So many people buying for the altcoin season. So many people excited about, oh, it's got to translate. I mean, if we're seeing this in these meme stocks or these meme cryptos, it's got to translate into buying. No, it doesn't, folks. Frankly, it does not. And again, we are seeing that it does not here as well. So again, just be aware. My goal is to keep you guys in reality, not in some sort of form of fantasy where everyone's telling you, oh, you can make $1 zillion by buying this next crap coin that literally has no use. It was just created out of thin air by people out there. All right, let's go to Binance. Binance, beautiful collapse here as well, dropping down. Short-term support at 307. No way in hell I'm buying it there. Instead, I'm looking at around the Pierce of 300. Might be a little bit of support if you're aggressive. And then this would be your secondary level down here on the charts. If Bitcoin does start to break lower, if Ethereum does start to break lower, a lot of these secondary altcoins are going to go lower. Be ready for that. Take a look at Solana. All right, Solana, I've been telling you guys, be wary on all this stuff. We've been talking about buy levels down. For instance, Solana's buy levels down here. All right, that's first buy level, second buy levels at around 17 and change right here as well. This is actually going to be a good level. This downsloping trend line basically meeting this area right here on Solana. For a quick swing trade, I actually like this area. Anywhere between 18 and 17.25. That actually does look reasonably intriguing to me. All right, let's continue through. How's Cardano doing? Cardano, we talked about coming down into this area. That is still in play. 33 to 34 cents. Your big level is going to be at 30 cents, but there should be some sort of small, quick trading opportunity here. All right, so again, beautiful sell-offs across the board on so many of these. Look at the Avalanche drop. That is a beauty. I'm still looking at Avalanche right here at $14. It's trading at $15.36, $14, guys. That gets me intrigued on Avalanche as well. So again, just so many falling cryptos across the board. Look at that. Look at Polkadot. Collapsed, almost tagged this line at $5.15, missed by literally 4 cents. Got to $5.19 there. That is actually decent support. That is actually decent support. Didn't technically hit the level yet, but it sure certainly did kiss the level. And again, beautiful little rollover right there. So bottom line again, guys, that crypto is cracking here. I say cracking, but not broken yet because Bitcoin still is holding this area right here. If this gives way, we confirm underneath, then it is cracking for sure and breaking down and broken. Target here and target here on Bitcoin. We just talked about it on the Ethereum chart. All right, target here and then down here on Ethereum. All right, guys, again, I spread the word. I've been saying it. I've been telling people, be careful. Don't be stupid. Don't go long these altcoins. Don't get caught up in a lot of the meme junk. That is gambling. I'm all for gambling as long as you know you're gambling, right? You want to, like I go gamble at the casino maybe once, twice a year. When I go there, I take 5, 10K, and I'm like, all right, listen, if I fully expect going in, I'm going to lose this all. No big deal. That's fine. All right. That's not what I do when I invest. When I invest, I expect to make money. Not always will I make money, but I expect to because the probabilities are in my favor. And that is the key, guys. That is the bottom line key. All right. So on that note, I wish you all the best. Have a great rest of your day. I'll talk to you soon. Take care.